now we're about to pull it out. We're going to hammer the other end, just like I did the first one. Looking for is the same color on all three of those layers. You see that top one? It's a little bit darker along that edge. That means my weld didn't quite take right there, so I'm going to put a little more flux on it, put it back in, and reheat it, and tap that again. You notice the bottom two, you can't even see the seam on it now. They're the exact same color. That means you're getting full heat transfer from one billet to the other, and that means your weld is solid. So there's a lot of myths out there that you can't weld using a propane furnace, that you got to use coal. Well, obviously shows like Forged in Fire and some of the other weapon shows out there, those demonstrations here show you that you actually can weld using propane. You got to get your temperature up above 2200 degrees, and I can easily melt steel using propane fired furnaces. Same thing about the fluxing agent. We're using 20 mule team borax straight out of the box. Don't use the laundry soap additive that has other soaps in it. Use the pure 20 mule team borax. You'll see a lot of people trying to sell anhydrous borax. That, oh, you can't weld with borax, you got to have anhydrous. Well, this is hydrated borax. Now it's anhydrous. Basically, all you do is you cook off the water out of it, so you'll see it foaming up on my metal. That's just the water baking out of this before it melts. So you don't need to go out there spending $10 on a little jar of anhydrous borax. Just go down, drop $2 at Walmart, and get you a 2-pound box of good old borax.